Hi, my name's Aaron and I'm with Fleetistics, and today we're here to talk about covert vehicle tracking. And what we have here is a rechargeable tracking device that updates once every 10 seconds. It has an LED light system on here so you can see the battery level of the device before you take it out and use it. We've driven to Atlanta and back with 10-second updates. So you get quite a bit of tracking on this device on a single charge. What we've done on this one is we've mounted magnets on the back of the unit with epoxy, or you can use the unit without the magnets. But you can take this and you can slap it under a vehicle like on this truck here. You stick it in and you're done. And that will track quite well. So if you're interested in covert vehicle tracking, contact Fleetistics and we'll talk you through it. You can get yourself a unit and you can get to tracking.